What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we'll look at some of the settings of Trojan Bot and we'll see how to set the slippage amount. Now for that, click on the settings icon, and once you do this you will see this interface popping up. These are some of the settings that you can change according to your preference. You can set this one to turbo. Below is buying and sell settings and map protection, auto sell, auto buy. Now to get the details of these, you can also swipe up and you can see what these settings do. And going back to the slippage amount, now we'll hit the buy settings button, and these are some of the buying presets and buying slippage amount option right here. Now to change it, we will simply go and click on it and type in the amount that we want to set. I will not prefer you to set this above 15%, or you might end up buying something at a higher price. Now similarly, you can head over to the sell settings, and here you will see some of the selling presets and sell slippage. You can also change it. I will not prefer you to keep it above 15%. Again, totally depends upon your preference. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.